Welcome to our channel. If you want to delete your Moodle account, follow these simple steps, keeping in mind that account deletion is usually managed by your institution. Step 1. Understand that Moodle accounts are typically controlled by your educational institution or organization, so you may not be able to delete the account yourself. Step 2. Log in to your Moodle account using your institution's Moodle URL and your username and password. Step 3. Click on your profile picture or name in the top right corner and select Profile or Preferences from the drop-down menu. Step 4. Look through your account settings for any options related to account deletion or deactivation. In most cases, these options won't be available to regular users. Step 5. If you're a student, contact your school's Moodle administrator or IT department via email to request account deletion. Include your full name, student ID, and email address. Step 6. If you're using a self-hosted or personal Moodle account, you may be able to delete your account through the admin panel if you have administrative access. Step 7. Before requesting deletion, download any important course materials, grades, or certificates, as you will lose access to everything permanently. Step 8. Send a formal email to your institution's data protection officer if you want your personal data removed under privacy regulations like GDPR. Step 9. Wait for confirmation from your institution that your account and associated data have been permanently deleted from their Moodle system. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.